Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today from my messy kitchen. This is the aftermath of one morning with a toddler. It's actually worse than you can even see. With our pots and pans, we have toys on the ground, crumbs everywhere. Moms out there, I'm sure you can relate. Today I'm going to be showing you my method for speed cleaning the kitchen in under 10 minutes. I have refined this method. It is quick, it's easy. I am planning a speed cleaning series here on my channel, so if you're excited about that, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can see the videos I'll have coming up. I'm planning on doing bathroom, bedroom, and all the other major areas in the house. And this video is done in partnership with the Grove Collaborative. It is so exciting because they have allowed me to select the free offer that you guys will be getting when you sign up and place your first order with them, and it is so good. You guys are going to love it. So stay tuned for that. I'll be sharing that in just a minute. With all of that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so step one, we're going to gather all of our supplies. I keep all of my cleaning supplies now in this bucket. It's just really convenient. I have my microfiber cloths, my all-purpose cleaning solution. This is the cutest glass bottle that I got from the Grove. I like having this bucket because as I'm cleaning and going through my microfiber cloths, I throw them in here, and then at the end, I just pop them in the washing machine. Step number two is set a timer. This is something that I've started doing every time, and it really helps. Just knowing that you're under a time crunch motivates me to move a lot faster. So set that timer and it will help speed up your process. Step three is to declutter. So I move everything in the kitchen into zones, and I do this very quickly. So zone one is my clutter bin. Anything that doesn't belong in the kitchen goes into this bin and I will deal with it later. It just needs to be moved out. Zone two is the sink area, so I'll move all the dishes that need to be washed over there. And zone three is the trash and recycling area, so I'll move everything that needs to be tossed into the trash. Step four is the dishes. I just do a quick rinse and load everything into the dishwasher. I'm using my bubble up brush that I got from the Grove, which is one of my favorite cleaning tools in my entire house. And as I mentioned, I am working with the Grove Collaborative on this video. And in case you're not familiar with them, they are a service that delivers affordable, all natural home and personal care products directly to your door. So it's super convenient. You can set up your products to deliver on a customized schedule, so you'll never run out of anything you need. I get everything from them now, from my cleaning products to personal care products and even baby products. So I love these natural sanitizing wipes. I also love their Grove brand hand sanitizer. The stuff is awesome. So now the super exciting part. If you place your first order of $20 or more, you will get this free offer that I personally selected just for you guys. These are my favorite products from them. You'll get the Bubble Up Scrubber Brush. I love this thing so much. You put your soap in here and then you press the brush down and you have your perfect sudsy brush to do your dishes. It also looks really cute on the countertop. And you'll also get this Caldrea hand soap and dish soap in the scent of your choice. Now, if you have not experienced Caldrea products, they are the most luxurious smelling products I've ever encountered. I am so obsessed with them, and I was thrilled that they decided to include these. So you will get all three of these products. It's an over $30 value, plus free shipping and a free VIP trial when you use my link that will be down in the description box. You guys definitely have to take advantage of this. It is such a great offer. And if you already use the Grove, also use my link and they will throw in a free gift with your next order of a set of walnut scrubber sponges. Once the dishes are all done, I will quickly clean the sink. A little tip here is to use baking soda. This acts as a natural abrasive and it will just help really clean and get everything off the bottom of your sink. I also use a separate brush just for cleaning my sink for sanitary reasons. Next up is cleaning countertops and surfaces. I'm using my Caldrea countertop spray, and this stuff makes my entire house smell incredible. I also have this little plastic scraper tool that I use to scrape off anything that's caked on my countertops. This little thing is so handy to have. Then I switched to my DIY all-purpose spray just to do a quick wipe off of the outside of my stainless steel appliances because they always have fingerprints on them. And step number 6, our last step, is to vacuum. I use my cordless vacuum, takes like a minute to quickly do the floors, get all the crumbs that I've accumulated, and that is it. All right, and we are all done. That was my super fast and easy method for cleaning the kitchen. I do this almost every day to keep our kitchen in order because things become crazy very quickly in this house. So while we're here in the kitchen, you may remember several months ago, I asked you if you thought I should paint this kitchen island a different color just to add some contrast to the room. The majority of you said yes, and I tend to agree, so we're finally getting around to painting it. And now I need your help to help us decide what color. So option 1 is a gray color, which I think will pull in nicely with the marble in the backsplash. Option 2 is a slate blue color, which could be a little different and fun. We're also going to be painting the mantle the same color. So here are the 2 color options. Place your votes down below. We'll be painting it in a couple weeks from now, so you guys will get to see the result. I think it will just add a little something extra to this room. And also don't forget to use my link down below to get your free offer from The Grove when you place your first order of $20 or more. And with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.